Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I'm going to work on ninth experiment of System Software and Compiler Lab. The aim of the experiment is to write a YACC a specification for evaluating an expression using an ambiguous grammar. So let's go to the description part. What does YACC stands for? It stands for yet another compiler. Uh, it generates a parser based on an analytic grammar written in notation similar to BNF. YACC generates the code for the parsing in C programming language. YAC specification consists of mandatory rules sections and optional section for definition and user subroutines. The declaration subroutines of definitions if present must be in the first section of YAC program. The mandatory rule section follows definition. If there are no definition, then the rule section is the first. In both the cases, the rule section must start with a delimiter double percentage, and there is a absolute section. It follows the rule section and is separated by another double percentage delimiter. If there is no second delimiter, then the rules continue to the end of the file, and all sections are present as specified in the format declaration double percentage rules double percentage and the subroutines. Now let's go to the algorithm part. First we are creating a YAC specification file, then after that in the specification file we are giving the declaration, and after that we are giving the rules for the grammar to be used, and lastly we are going to give the necessary subroutine. Let's go on to the program part. mm, Count9.y. So this is a simple YAC calculator. So initially what we have done is we have included the required header file, then after that we have defined a token to a number a variable which is we have defined a token num. Then after that we have given the description for the line is defined such that line, then print line, a new line, and if that does not work, then line can also be defined as expression, then new line, and we are going to print it. And here $1, here $1 says that this is the first of the equation. Like if we say a equal to b plus c, then a will be the $1 value. It is by default. Let's go to the expression part. Now expression is defined as expression plus term, and this is defined as double dollar sorry earlier I said that it is $1. It will be considered as $1 equal to $1, $2, $3. This $1 is the expression, that is the first one. Then here we can see the definition of expression for the plus, for the minus, and after that we go to the term part. Term can also be defined as term into factor and term divided by factor. And the definition, as we can see here, $1 equal to $1 into $3, and $double equal to $1 slash $3. Then we go to the factor part. Now factor can be defined as starting a bracket expression, then the closing bracket. So it can also be said as $double equal to $2 or num1 variable. So num1 we are going to define as num1 space num, and it will be defined as $double equal to $1 into 10 plus $2. This is for numbers who has more number of digits. Like if it is 10, if it is 11, we can also define it as 10 into 1 plus 1. So this will be the setting of the formula. Then after that, after the definition part, we have declared for the running part of the program. So first we have taken very integer c, and c we are getting character from the user. Then we are checking if it is a digit or not. If it is a digit, then we are going to store that in yyl val c minus 0, and we are going to return num. Then in the int main, what we are doing is just we are calling parse function, and Then after that we are defining a function ywrap, and ywrap is already defined there. We are just returning the values through it. Then towards the last we are declaring the void function to calculate to check the error, and we are defining as a yu error char the constant star s. So we are going to define the we are going to print out the error after that. So let's move on to the working part of the program. So we will do the exactly as a output screen says. We can see first we are going to compile it yacc comp 9 dot y. Yeah, then after that we are going to call it y dot y tab dot c. Then after that we are going to run this program. See, now in this part we have to give the expression. Let's suppose we give the expression as 32 divided by 16. So the output is 2. Now we know that the program is working perfectly. So towards the end, now the EX specification for evaluating an expression using ambiguous grammar is written and it is executed successfully. So this would be the last of it. Thank you.